All right, today I'm going to show you how to use Screencastify to do screencasts. Screencastify is a tool that you will install from the Chrome Web Store, and it will sit here and live where all your other Chrome extensions are. And it's a screencasting tool where you can screencast just the browser that you have open, your full desktop so you can show programs that are installed on your computer, or if you want to just do a webcam only and not show your screen. Most people choose either browser or desktop. You'll want to either use the default internal microphone or add in a different one. And if you are going to use the webcam, make sure so that you can have a picture of yourself in the corner while you're doing your screencast. So let me show you how this works here. And there are some other settings that you might want to look at on your own. So I'm going to hit record. You'll see me in the corner here. Here I am. And now you have the option. Do you want to record the entire screen or just the application window? So I'm going to click entire screen, and then I'm going to hit share, and then I'm going to get a countdown, 3, 2, 1. All right, hi, this is Mrs. Castanelli, and I'm doing a demonstration on how to use Screencastify to screencast either a lecture or a project that you want to show students, or how to do a particular assignment. So if you wanted to go through a PowerPoint, some people can just do the PowerPoint this way, where you would just have it in kind of edit mode, and as you would talk, you could still be in the video and you could walk through the PowerPoint. Because sometimes when you hit present, the little recording of you in the corner goes away because you're in full screen mode. But here's the trick. If you click on this little icon while you're presenting, you'll be back. And so you're still in present mode, but you're still in the corner. So if you wanted to talk to the students and explain what is on the screen, or give them a lecture, or explain, what is it that they're going to be doing for their remote learning, this is how you would do it. And then when you're done, you just press escape out of your PowerPoint, or your Google slide, I should say, and you're back to your regular tab. So that's how you would screencast a slideshow. If you're just going to a website and teaching students how to use the website, whenever you click on something that is a click, give specific directions. Say, on the right-hand side, I'm going to EBSCO one-stop search, and then click on it. And a lot of times, students will have to log in to access whatever so make sure that you explain what the usernames or passwords, or how that would work how that works before they get to the resource. So I make a lot of screencasts teaching students how to do research, and it's really helpful if you go slow and you type in and you've kind of already practiced what the search is going to be before you do it. If you are teaching how to do a project, let's say you want students to use a particular technology tool on their Chromebook to do a classroom project, you might want to go through and pull up an example that you created and walk them through and show the different features of what could be added. Or you may want to just create a separate screencast just for that particular assignment. You can notice sometimes there's a lot of lag while you're waiting for a program to open. So just be prepared for kind of some of your filler information, and you're going to walk through and just give really precise directions. So a screencast can be super helpful because I can even, show students how to go into their Drive, or have students teach them where on Canvas they'll find the directions for your assignment. It is an asynchronous way for you to talk to your students and not have to have everyone live watching the directions at the same time. So give it a try. When you're done with your screencast, you'll just press end, and this is what's going to happen. I'm finished recording. Watch what happens up here. A new tab opens. And here is my screencast in a new tab. And I can name it. This is a Screencastify Demo. And there's an editor. So if you did make some mistakes and you wanted to take out like an ums, or you just really botched one section, you can go into the editor and trim it down. But honestly, don't be worried that you made some mistakes. You know, in remote learning, you're supposed to be human. You're supposed to show that, you know, that it's okay for us to not do everything perfect, okay? And then I think over here, it's saving it directly to Drive. And you can see that you'll get a shareable link. You'll be able to upload it to YouTube. I actually find that it works better if I download it onto my computer first and then upload it to Google. But either way, if it's just in Google Drive, you'll get this link here, which you could post on Canvas. So that's how we use Screencastify. It's not that hard. Why don't you make a few practice screencasts, and I'm sure you'll do just great.